Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer LT V6. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really nice shape. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. All right, let's take a look here. Front bumper, beautiful condition, very nice shape, super clean. Headlamp on top looks amazing. Lower light in some beautiful shape. Grill's in really nice condition. All right, taking a look at the other headlamp here. Beautiful shape. Lower light also in beautiful condition. Hood's in beautiful shape. Let's take a look. Very nice. Super clean throughout. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Beautiful shape. Really amazing condition. Super nice. Driver door, also in beautiful shape. Looks super clean throughout. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really in amazing shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side, amazing condition, super clean. Looks really nice throughout. All right, take a look at the back here. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Lights are in great condition. Very nice shape. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Super clean. All right, let's take a look at the quarter panel here. On the passenger side, amazing shape. Looks really nice. Take a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice shape. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Glass is in great shape, don't see any chips or anything on it, very nice. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof's in great condition, looks super nice. Amazing shape. Really great condition. Take a look at the windshield here. On the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Okay, that concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel here on the driver's side front. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that, really nice shape. Looks amazing. Take a close look here. Controls for the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful shape. Taking a look there, the power rear door controller. Driver's seats in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. All right, take a look at the rugs. Rugs are in great shape. Dashboard steering is in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Passenger side door panel. Door panel is in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the armrest. Beautiful condition. Handle for the door. Power lock controller and window. Beautiful shape. All right, let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Rugs are clean. Dashboard and steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful shape all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel. Door panel in the rear. On the driver's side, beautiful condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Really amazing condition. Look at that. Back here we have a couple of AC vents with USBs right here. Really nice. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner looks great. Beautiful condition through here. Really nice condition. Super, super clean. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Armrest is in great shape. Take a look at the controls there and the handle, beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear seat, beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout, very nice shape. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer LT Package V6. We're gonna go ahead and press the brake here. We have our key fob right there in the cup holder. I'm gonna press the brake, press the button, it starts right up. Check out the cluster. All the needles are testing out. That happens on every Chevy. Really nice. Okay, so in the center here we have 35,572 miles. Taking a look at the RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It's got a really nice information center there, which is controlled by here. So we're going to go ahead and dial through it here and show you all the features on it. So right now it's showing the miles per hour, trip computer 1, trip computer 2, 49 miles till empty on the fuel. Oil life is 63%. Tire pressure sensors. Oil filter life. The air filter life, sorry. Fuel economy lasts 50 miles. Timer. Battery voltage. Okay, we'll leave it back on speed then, okay? So let's take a look at some of the other features on this one. Right here we have the collision alert in the front. So you press the button here, you could set up the distance. So further away is better. Also the cruise controls here. Speak your commands. This is the dial we're using for the information center we just used. To hang up your phone calls, we use Bluetooth. And we're looking at the automatic lights. The switches for the automatic lights. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Really nice. Let's check the turning signals. One on the right, the one on the left. Front and rear wipers right here. Super nice. Okay, let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Very nice condition. Steering wheel's in good shape. Really nice shape overall. Dashboard, steering wheel, beautiful shape. It's got a beautiful screen here. We'll go back to it in a minute. Let's take a look at the AC controls. These blazers are really cool. The AC controllers right here. When you turn the dial here or turn it here, you adjust the temperature on that side. See how I turn the dial there and it changes the temperature for the passenger. Also, it shows it here on top. See that? So we'll leave it on low for now. And this one, the same thing. So this one has heated seats, which is nice for the driver and passenger in the front. 3 settings. You see that? 1, 2, 3. This is for the vent controllers, where the AC comes out of. The fan controllers right here. Front and rear defrost. It's got a couple USBs available here if you can connect your phone. It's got a little storage compartment there. Cup holders. Take a look. Automatic transmission. This is the different modes for the transmission. So you got sport, winter, or the regular one is that normal. So you turn it like this, it gives you snow mode on top there. Turn it again, it'll give you sport mode. Super cool. The little flag right there. Okay, this is for the parking sensors in the rear. There's the lane alert. Really nicely equipped. Okay, then you have your automatic engine shut-off bypass. When you have that on, the engine doesn't shut off at the light. If the engine is warm and you have the little light not pressed, the auto off is on right now. So that means if you go to the light and the car's warmed up already, the engine will turn off, save some fuel. Really nice. And then this has the hazard lights right there. The glove box, that's how you open the glove box right there. It's got a button right there, traction control right there. Super nice. Let's take a look at the beautiful screen right now. Got a little mark there on the screen. Make sure it comes off. Yes, it does come off. All right, fantastic. Let's take a look at what we have here. Audio controls. Click on that really quick. So right now it's on FM. So you have AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. You can go back to home again. The controls for the Bluetooth right here for your phone. If you have phones connected to it, it will show up there. Wi-Fi settings, super nice. Here's the settings for the system. You have all the features in there. You can adjust it. For the app, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, rear seat reminder if you have a small child, that's nice to have. Collision detection right here. So this one has forward collision detection, alert and brake, forward pedestrian detection, alert and brake, lane change alert, rear camera with parking symbols, and rear cross traffic. Super nice. So this one has all the safety features for 2021. Okay, so let's go back here again. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar, climate. So you can see the AC controls there if you'd like. Turn it this way. Here we go. That's the radio right there. So if you have your phone connected, you'll be able to see what's going on with your phone there. Right now, that's what's playing on the radio. Super nice. You can see down here. That's the 4G LTE, temperature, and it has a GPS built in, of course. And there's the time. Up above here, we're looking at our sunglass holder. Couple courtesy lights, super nice. You have your garage door openers right there, and you have your OnStar. Let's take a look at those visors. Super nice on both sides. Okay, that's great condition all the way through. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Let's take it for a little spin. Really nice drive, super smooth, feels good. Look at that, super nice. Okay, we're gonna check the brakes now here. Full stop. Stop's nice, look at that. Acceleration's good. Another stop. Really great drive. 6-cylinder power, you can feel it. And it is super quiet. So nice. Next step now, we're going to go ahead and we're going to check out the backup camera. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Here we go. Fantastic. I'm going to find a little spot here and we'll back up. Okay, put in reverse. Really nice. When you turn the steering wheel, those little lines there show you which way the vehicle's going to roll back. That's amazing. Look at that. Let me straighten it out here. And then this one has parking sensors in the rear. So I'm going to show you here on the cluster. It shows up here what you're getting close to. So we're a little bit far from those bushes, but regardless, it's coming up a little bit there. See? It's showing you're getting close to something. It shows you on which side you're going to hit. So the closer we get, the more it beeps. That's a really cool feature. Look at that. That's really nice to have. All right, that concludes our test drive here on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear hatch. We're going to go ahead and open up the hatch in the back here with the remote. Press the button twice. Opens up really nice. Let's take a look inside here. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look. Very nice shape. Super, super clean. Down below here, spare tire with all the tools. Very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and close the door again now. Fantastic. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Really nice condition all the way through. Really amazing shape. Very nice. Take a look at beneath the hood here. Great condition. Let's look at the label here for the emissions. Really nice shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side, amazing condition, looks really nice. Rim is clean and in great shape. Does have some scratches here on the edge. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Take a look there. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Really nice shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition. Look at that. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing shape. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really amazing shape. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer LT Package V6. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used auto sales.com. Thanks for watching.